Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I will show you on how to delete Facebook Messenger account. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about Facebook Messenger topic. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Messenger app. So I'm going to simply click on here just to open it up. So the next thing you want to do is to simply click on here, just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this setting icon right here, just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down to account center right here. Simply click on here. It's going to open up this page. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on accounts. So if you have a multiple Facebook accounts or multiple Facebook Messenger accounts, select the account you want to remove. Let's, for instance, I want to remove this particular account. Simply click on remove. And once you remove the account, it's going to automatically remove the Facebook account and the Messenger account that is associated to the Facebook account. So it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to delete Facebook Messenger account without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.